No? Amen po? So, while we are alive, brothers and sisters, choose the right path. Amen? And then choose heaven. Hindi yung hell. Amen po? No? Para siguradong aakyat tayo sa langit pagdating ng araw. Amen po? Palakpakan natin si Ariel Sogan. Okay? Review lang para alam natin yung susunod. Brothers and sisters, our gospel for today calls for being, sinabi ni Sister Hermie kanina, being humble and a generous one. Amen? Akala mo simple table manners lang. It is like that simple table manners yung sinasabi ni Lord. But there is a new meaning. Mayroong ibang kahulugan. Amen po? I will just tell you a very short story. When I was young and growing up, as an adult, I saw how my parents worked for the family. I saw the hardships, Naiyak ako. My father is a butcher. And my mom, to help my father, she sells good in the market. She sells sugar, salt, rice, yung mga malagkit, ganun. Kung ano-ano po ang ginagawa ng aking nanay. And during weekends, they go to one place to another. Kung alam po ninyo sa Bisaya kasi yun, bulantero ba? So ano ba yung tawag doon? Bulantero, they go from one place to another, dala-dala yung mga sako-sakong bigas, sako-sakong asin, sako-sakong asukal, Yeah. And in my young age, brothers and sisters, alam ko kumikita yung aking mga magulang. But in my mind, I don't like that kind of job. Naintindihan po ninyo ako. So one time, while helping my mom, I just imagine, kasi ako ang panganay, isinasakay ako sa jeep noon. Kasama ko yung aking kapatid si Ana. Isasakay kami sa jeep, kasama din namin kung ilang sakong bigas, ilang sakong Isasakay kami ng nanay ko kasi kilala niya yung mga driver, pupunta kami sa isang bayan. And then there, someone will take those things from us. Mayroon na siyang suki, kung baga, So one time, in our private moments, I told my mom, I said, Mom, kung ako ay papalarin, I don't like this job. Naalala ko talaga. Sabi ko, ang gusto ko, makapag-abroad. Sabi ko. Ang gusto ko, mag-drive ako ng iba't ibang sasakyan. Nakadrive naman po, Lahat-lahat. At tapos gusto ko, sabi ko, I'm gonna earn dollars para matulungan kita, sabi ko. Brothers and sisters, very simple na pangarap, siguro sa iba. Pero simple lang din ang sinabi ng aking nanay. She said, "Oops, be careful. Someone might hear you. They might say, you are nagyayabang, You are boasting, right? Someone might say you are boasting. Diba? And then, sabi niya, she said, if someone will hear you, they might say, how could you go abroad when you don't even have money? And your first persecutor on that matter, brothers and sisters, are your relatives. Amen? So, sabi niya, wala tayong pera, ang dami niyong nag-aaral. Na kahit hirap na hirap ang aking parents, mga kapatid, sa Notre Dame kami lahat nag-aaral, private school. So sabi niya sa akin, Feli, if you are dreaming for something, do it silently. Do it with humbleness in God. At magiging marunong kang magsabi kung luluubin ng Diyos. If God wills, it will be done. Amen po? Alam niyo po, maraming racket ang aking nanay eh. Nandyan nagpapadasal. She likes to pray, the rosary, everything. Kaya ang bahay namin was almost burned because of Jaja. No? Because she imitate my mom praying all the time, and then one time she lit the candle and hit the curtains, and all of a sudden, she almost burned the house of her grandma and her granddad. No? Brothers and sisters, just like Sister Hermie, the first reading, which is found in the book of Sirach, it says here, "My child, conduct your affairs with humility, and you will be loved more than a giver of gifts. Humble yourself, the more, the greater you are, and you will find favor with God. What is too sublime for you, seek not. The mind of a sage appreciates proverbs, and an attentive ear is the joy of the wise. Water quenches a flaming tree, and alms atones for sin." When I read this verse, brothers and sisters, I truly appreciate the words of advice my mother did to me. Tumatak sa isip ko yun. At dito ko na-realize na sa aking pagkabata ay tinuturuan na akong maging mapagpakumbaba, maging masunurin sa buhay, mga kapatid. Kaya sinasambit ko lagi yung kung kalooban ng Panginoon. Amen. God willing, it will be done. Mas ina-appreciate ko ang buhay na kahit not even enough money,